So yeah, you have here the meaning of decimals. So this multiplication of decimals precisely. We have, we did the meaning what decimals are. So we also did addition of decimals, if I could recall. We did, I think we did a subtraction as well. Okay, so today we'll be doing multiplication of decimals. So these are your objectives. You should be able to define decimals, which you have done. You should be able to know the meaning of decimal place or places. Multiply, you should be able to multiply decimals using different methods. So what are decimals? Decimals are numbers that have points in them. So in a decimal, there are two parts: whole numbers and decimals. So they are separated by a point called decimal point. So you are familiar with those ones. So we'll be having some examples here, which are 0.24, 12.34, 43.123, etc. So multiplying decimals. And see, we have example 1, we have 2.41 times 0.12. So let me slide to the next page. The second example is 0.165 times 1.34. Okay. Starting with the first one, which says 2.41 times 0.12. Okay, 2.41 times 0.12. Okay, let's solve here. 2.41 times 0.12. Now, we talked about decimal places. This decimal has two decimal places. That is, a number that has two decimal places has two digits after the point. Now, I have, after this particular point, as you can see me touching my number, after the point I have two digits, which are 4 and 1. So we say this particular decimal number has two decimal places. So also the second one has two decimal places, simply because it has two digits after the that's after the point. So now when you say you are multiplying decimals, what do? You sum up the DP. Okay, here we have 2 DP. Okay, are you getting it? Here too we have 2 DP. So when you are multiplying decimals, simply add up their DP. As far as you know what they mean by DP, that is decimal places, which means number of digits after the point. So when I sum it up, it gives me what? 4 DP. Good. Awesome. Now that I've taken note of the most important thing, which is the decimal places. Now ignore the points as if they were not given in the first place. Can you see? So that's now turns to 241. That's all numbers times 12. Can you see that? Awesome. So let's continue our multiplication here. So 2 times, let's continue in the next slide. So we're going to continue the next slide. It says 241 times 12, which is 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 4 is 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4. Are you seeing it? So you continue again. 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 4, 4, 1 times 2, 2. So you add up all that you got. Say 2, 9, 8, 2. Now don't forget, in the previous, in our decimal, we took a note of how many decimal places. 4 decimal places. If you go back to the other slide, it says, where is it? Okay, yes, you can see we have, what's the slide? We have 4 dp here. So I'm going to come back and go back. So 4 dp, that means I'm moving 4 laces to the back. So that's 1 from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see that? So now my answer is 0.2892, which is something else. 0. Are you listening? 0.2892. That's my final answer. Are you seeing that? So let's go to the next. Okay. Example 2. Let's see the first question. Okay. It says 0.165 times 1.34. 0.165 times 1.34. Okay. 0.165 times 0.24. Okay. So that's it. Are we on track with the question? 0.165 times 1.34. 1.34. Okay. Yeah, 1.34. Sorry about that. 1.34. Okay, the first step is to take note of the decimal. Right, this first decimal number has 3 decimal places, so I'll take note of it. Are you seeing that? The other one 2 dp. So since I'm multiplying the decimals, you add up the decimal places. Are you getting me? So that's what 5 dp. Awesome. So the next is you ignore the points. That's 165. I'm ignoring the points since I've taken note of the most important thing. Times 134. So 4 times 5 is 20. Right, 0 carry 2. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 2, 26. Carry 2. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2, 6. Good. You come down again. Okay, sorry about that. Coming. Aha, 6. That should be 6. Okay, so 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1. 19. Carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1. 4. Next is 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. So you add up everything. So that should give me. Let's go to the next slide. So that should give 0. So that will return. Should give us 0. Let's see. 0. Let's just do it by the side. 6 plus 5, 11. Right one, carry 1. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. Right one, carry 2. 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 1. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 2. 12. Right to carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So I have this as my answer. Then we take note of 5 dp. Go to the next slide. Our page is getting rough. You now say, okay. You say, I think you had, what's yours? 22110. So we have 22110. So 5 dp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have my answer to be 0.2211. Which something else, or 0.2211. Final answer. Are you getting it? So that's that. So I think that will be the end.